This is the review for the test of P.5 to P.7. So here we are simplifying each expression for numbers 1, 2, and 3. And basically what you need to look at is the fact that we have a minus sign right here in the middle. And that minus sign is going to be distributed to all three terms of the second polynomial, which is going to make it minus 4, and then negative, or the minus being distributed to this negative 4x cubed is going to be plus 4x cubed, and then minus the 8x. The first polynomial does not change, and we could write that as 2x plus 2x cubed plus 6x without the parentheses. And now we've got this big long polynomial where we need to combine like terms. And I'm going to go with the largest exponent first. So I've got 2x cubed plus 4x cubed, which is 6x cubed. I'm going to go ahead and cross those out just to keep track. Now I have, oh, this is 6x squared. Now I have a 6x squared, so that's plus 6x squared. It's the only one there. And I have 2x minus an 8x. 2x minus 8x is going to be negative 6x. And when I cancel those out, I have a minus 4 left at the end, and there is my final answer. For number 2, what I have in the middle is a plus sign. I do not need to change anything about anything in these two polynomials. All I need to do is go ahead and combine like terms. I've got 7x cubed plus a 7x cubed, which is 14x cubed. I will cancel those out. And I look, I have a negative 6x squared and another negative 6x squared. When I add those together, I get negative 12x squared. And when I cancel those out, I can see that I have a positive x and a positive 4x for a positive 5x. And then I have this minus 6 left here to finish off my simplification. Looking down at number 3, I have 4x cubed plus 2x to the fourth minus 2. So I have 4x to the third plus 2x to the fourth minus 2 times the second polynomial of 3x squared plus 5x to the fourth minus 8x cubed. So what I need to do is I need to distribute the negative 2. Once I distribute the negative 2, I don't have any more parentheses here, and I will just combine like terms. So in the first polynomial, I have 4x cubed plus 2x to the fourth. When I distribute the negative 2 times 3x squared, that is negative 6x squared. Negative 2 times negative 5x to the fourth is, I'm sorry, negative 2 times positive 5x to the fourth is negative 10x to the fourth. And negative 2 times negative 8x cubed is positive 16x cubed. Now I look at common like terms. My largest exponent is 4, so I'm going to look at the 2x to the fourth minus 10x to the fourth, and I get negative 6x to the fourth. I will go ahead and cross that out. I have now a 4x cubed plus 16x cubed, which is 20x cubed positive. When I cancel that out, I have only a minus 6x squared left, and there is my answer after I simplify that out. Okay, to find the product here, I have two binomials. I need to either do box method or distribution of terms. So I do 2a times 3a, which is 6a squared, I now do 2a times 2, which is positive 4a. Then I move on to the 8, and 8 times 3a is positive 24a, and 8 times 2 is positive 16. Now I look at my like terms here in the middle. I have 4a plus 24a, which is 28a. So I get 6a squared plus 28a plus 16. For number 5, I have 4x minus 3 squared. I need to write this out twice. So I have 4x minus 3 times 4x minus 3. And now I do the same thing I did with number 4. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x. Negative 3 times 4x is another negative 12x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. When I look at my like terms here, I get negative 24x. And so I get 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. And so that is problems number 1 through 5. And I will do other problems in another video.